Aid in distress, understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, aid in distress. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use it effectively in your conversations. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video will surely enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's get started. Aid in distress is a phrase that combines two words, aid and distress. Aid means to help or assist, while distress refers to extreme anxiety, sorrow, or pain. Together, the phrase aid in distress means providing help or assistance to someone who is in a state of trouble, suffering, or urgent need. It's often used in contexts where immediate help is required to alleviate a difficult or dangerous situation. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. After the earthquake, many volunteers came forward to aid in distress. 2. The rescue team was always ready to aid in distress during the flood. 3. When she saw the injured bird, she felt it was her duty to aid in distress. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to describe the act of helping someone or something in a difficult situation. It's also good to know some variations and related phrases. For instance, assistance in times of hardship, help in times of need, support during difficulties. These phrases convey similar meanings and can be used interchangeably depending on the context. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, aid in distress. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases and their usage in different contexts. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to aid in distress whenever you can. See you in the next video, and happy learning!